Hey guys, want to learn how to scalp? A lot of you guys saw the video that I came out with yesterday, and as well as the Telegram notification. How I was able to scalp Luna. I did $310, and this was in a pretty short amount of time, so that wasn't too bad. So I think this was literally in 3 minutes. I did $80, and then I kept trading, and then I did about $310 within like the hour after that. So it was pretty cool. I want to show you guys kind of what I was looking at and just give you guys a tutorial of how to trade. Two things you guys need to just know up front. You need the price response money flow and trend exhaustion indicators for this strategy. And ideally, if you guys really want the best confirmations, go over here. By the way, these are some people making money with this strategy. I didn't plan on showing you this, but this guy literally took his account from $100 to $1,000 using the indicators. He's like, it was a hard challenge. And guys, this is not normal. So please hear me on this. I'm not trying to this is just our latest testimonial. So I'm not trying to like make that seem normal or natural. Okay. We've got people down here doing 485, 661, and then, $23,000 with the two indicators. And literally a guy over here does $43,000 with the indicators, but he had a higher starting balance, which you guys can see right here. Okay. Let's do this. What you guys want to do is once you have the indicators, go to tradeconfident.io and open this up. Now this gold star right here, this will show you guys the scalping strategy that literally has yet to lose. If anybody, Luna, you guys need to hear this. Luna is just ridiculous what happened with Luna. If you were scalping on, everybody who traded anything on Luna lost everything, okay? With Luna aside, what we can say is that this strategy literally has never lost besides Luna. Just want to keep it honest with you guys. Okay, here's what you guys can do. This is pretty fun. Let's go to a coin like ADA. What I'm doing for scalping is I'm looking for coins that have just absolutely tanked. Coins that have moved down this far still have attention, and they still have enough volume on exchanges for liquidity. So here's what we're going to do. Go to the 5-minute chart. I click 3. We're going to go to the 5. Go to the 5-minute chart and make this really big. Okay? You're going to see this just because I'm managing a trade that we're in over there. Here's what you guys are going to do. This is honestly very, very simple. What you want to do is before you scalp anything, get your chart open and then go over here. You guys need to go to the front page and just check with the metrics to see if it's a good place to look to get into trades. Come over to Cardano. Here's what I want you guys to be checking. Is the emotional index in the anxious or fearful section? Literally just make this, if you guys want to write this down, if you guys got iPads or notepads or whatever, write this down. Check the metrics and see if you're in the anxious or fearful section. That will give you favor on long scalping trades. Then move down here and look at trades in favor. Are you in a good or a great long trade? This will show favor for scalping. What you're doing, guys, is you're just adding up validators on the trade before you scalp it to give you greater profit. And then look over here. Are Wells institutions buying? Yes. 3 things. Are Wells institutions buying? Yes, they are. Are trades in favor? Is the favor line on long trades? Guys, if this says good short trades, do not scalp long. Just don't do it. Why? Because the market usually sees a turnaround here, and you guys are going to be losing your long trades, okay? Don't do it. Just wait for this. Again, this membership alone that you guys can get just for scalping alone is going to save you guys so much by staying on the right side of the market. Trades in favor, good long trade, great long trade, Wells institutions buying, and then come up here and look at this. Make sure you guys are looking to see if it's in the anxious or fearful section. Okay, I'm showing you Cardano for an example, but do this on any coin you want. All right, question I'm going to get. Travis, what's the best time frame? Guys, the 1 minute is crazy. I would personally move up to the 5 minute to see better confirmations. And I'm just going to throw them all out here. I'm going to show you guys the wins, the losses, and everything. So here's what you guys are going to do. You're just going to wait for the trend exhaustion to be in the bottom red section. And if it's in the bottom red section, guys, and you also see the well money flow low down here, that's a second positive sign. This does come with the price on here. I'm just deactivating the price just so you guys can see. But if you guys get trend exhaustion high, well money flow, and price high, all 3 at the same time, you guys really need to watch for drops back down on the market. But here's how you scalp. Watch this. Okay. You're going to come over here. When trend exhaustion hits the bottom red section, I'm just going to put a vertical line so we can all see this, okay? Bingo, right there. Trend exhaustion at the bottom red section, okay? Vertical line right around that area. Look at over here. I'm not looking at price. Don't look at price action. This is going to throw you guys off. Be honest with yourselves. Do not look at price action. Just come down here and do this. Look at vertical here. Put a vertical line down here. Put a vertical line. Actually, we got to put a vertical line here, and we have to put a vertical line here because there's 2 entries there. We're going to look at this one, and then let's just look at this one here for a second. Cool. That's enough. I don't want you obviously go back in the past and you can see these over here if you guys would like. Here, I'll just put them over here just for fun. Look, oops, sorry. Let's look at this one right here. And we're going to look at this one just because we can all see it. I don't want you guys to think I cherry picked any of this. I didn't. I'm just opening this chart here. Go back up here. Now let's look to see what the accuracy was during this time frame. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and we'll go back and look at those in the past, I promise. So on the 5-minute time frame, I want you guys to be looking for 3 to 4%. And that is it. 3 to 4%. Don't look for any more. Okay, here's what you guys are looking at. Once you get into a trade, I still highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys use the buy limits for this trade. So let me show that to you right now. What you guys are going to do on the Cardano chart, you have your 3 confirmations: emotional index, trades in favor, as well as institutional smart money. Okay, scroll all the way down and look at this. This is not updated for today. I don't believe so. No, today's the 13th. This will update here in about 20 minutes. You guys are going to see 4 different buy limits down here. For each scalping trade you enter into, guys, please promise me you use some type of risk management. Because we are below the 50% or the equator, what we call it, it's basically if you take, look at this. The equator is this. It's a principle we came out with in trading. You take the high of a coin, you take the low of a coin. If you're looking at the middle, if you are below the equator for price, you guys can use 3 buy limits instead of 4. So here's what you're going to do. There are going to be 33% positions on each of these. Watch this. You guys, when the trend exhaustion hits the bottom right section, let's say you got $1,000 you're going to trade this strategy with. You can go 33% market order immediately. Literally just 33% right there. And then use the other 2 buy limits on the website to actually catch you guys if this goes down. Okay, and that's going to give you risk management. On that first buy limit here, all you are looking for is 3 to 4%. That is it. I do not look for any more. 3 to 4%. I know I told you guys 3 to 4% on the 4-hour time frame. I've been able to find this. 3 to 4% is still not bad on the actual, let me get this out here. On the 5-minute chart, 3 to 4%. Looking right about there, okay? Obviously, this is in the profit for all of you guys if you are taking this. Now, looking back over here, let's look at the price range. You guys are looking at this right here, and we're looking at this of seeing 3% right about there. Again, 3 to 4%. You want to be conservative? Do 3%, guys. 3%. Looking at it over here, obviously, you guys can see all this. I'm not going to just, 3%. You guys won that trade, okay? Another trade here. Again, we're in an uptrend, but wait, I need to show you guys a downtrend. Don't just get too excited here and buy the indicators and move on. Watch. This is what people don't show you guys. Everyone you guys scroll through Instagram and YouTube and TikTok and all these stuff. All of their bots are like, oh, look at my strategy, and they all show you guys uptrends. It's just ridiculous. Okay, look at what happens in a downtrend. Nobody likes to show you this because this is where you lose money, but I want to show this to you guys, and I'll show you how to manage this correctly. Watch. Over here, this trade right here, did we get 3%? We didn't yeah, we did. Technically, it was 3.81, so 3% would have closed. That's great. Did it head back down? Yes, and then eventually won. That's fantastic. Okay, look over here. I'm trying to find, okay, yes, yeah, that one as well. Let's look over here, price range. Yes, this came up to 3%, obviously 4% plus here. Hold on, let me find a losing trade here for you guys. Okay, hold on. And this, I just wanted to point this out to you guys. Is that 3%? Okay, technically you guys would have won every single one of these trades. Let me find a trade that would have just been terrible to enter into. And I don't know. Here, okay, good. I'm trying to find something that you guys can actually get some, I want you guys to just trust me on this channel. That's what I want you guys to do. Be like, okay, Travis didn't just sit on here and show us all the wins. Let me show you guys why we incorporate this right here. And honestly, it's more favorable for you. So can you take some trades in here and you're going to win most of them on the 5-minute? Yeah, you're going to win most of them. Like absolutely, because just the indicators just kick butt. I'm not even going to lie. Unshamefully, guys, I'm going to say this. Our sell on the indicators, they're in the description. They're 84% off. Guys, our prices will never be lower than what we have right now. We'll run the sell again on Black Friday and sometime in the future. This is the lowest you can get our indicators, so snag those. Okay, now let me explain the stuff that no one likes to show you because they feel like it absolutely crushes their strategy, but I'm going to show you anyways. Look at this. There are going to be times in a downtrend where you're looking for a reversal back up where you're not going to get it, okay? This is where the risk management really comes in handy. Because here's the deal. You guys get in right here, and let's say you've got, I'm just going to throw these out here, okay? There's going to be one here and like one here for the other 2 buy limits. But when this buy limit is hit here, guys, for example, let's say it got hit right here, and it's probably a lot lower because you're on the 5-minute time frame, like a lot lower. Just follow the principles here, okay? What you guys are going to do here is your break-even entry is going to come down in between the first and second buy limit. So now, this trend over here that came back up, that's your break-even entry, and you're making profit right back over here. That is why you have to use risk management with scalping. Because even trades like this over here, guys, because the price is so low, You're accomplishing two things. Let's say, for example, you get in here and you've got, let's say, 4 buy limits, and obviously they're going to be way lower than this, so please just understand that. I just can't open the chart that big. What you're doing is that you are also dollar cost averaging into this. So does that make sense, guys? Let me explain this again, because this is actually really, I don't want to say like it's brilliant because it makes me sound, it's just like arrogant. But listen, if you guys are in the stance and agreement that crypto is going to go up, it's not just going to tank forever. What you guys can do on these scalping trades, if you do get into a scalping trade like this, which I believe anyone who got into these trades they're going to turn around. I mean, obviously, if you guys got into here, you guys are making a killing on these. It's going to be hard to lose scalping trades, but in the scenario where it does head down here, your dollar cost average is going to take over, and you guys are going to start acquiring whatever coin, Luna. Sorry, I'm thinking of Luna so much. I would not trade Luna, by the way. Cardano, Solana, Ethereum, Polkadot, Matic. Do this on all of them. If your first, second buy limit gets hit, you just have really, really good entries, and that can turn into your dollar cost average hold positions. Guys, let me say this again. If you get this, this is the best way to scalp, period. I got to say it again. When you guys get in here and you use risk management, you're going to win a lot of trades today. You're going to win a lot of trades because the indicators are just really good at that. But, there will be times where the market will head down and you're going to hold trades into drawdown. But here is why this works so well. The coins that do go into drawdown and you do not hit your 3 to 4%, with your buy limit spread out here, what you have done with that trade is you have bought yourself incredible entries on that coin. So when it goes down and then it goes back up, you guys are going to make a ton of money on that trade. So some of you, it will be a saving grace today when you do start scalping that it doesn't actually hit 3% and it moves back down, because those are probably going to be your bigger winners even more than your 3% scalping trades. This is why it's very hard to lose here. And I would never trade this any other way. Last thing, besides the risk management, you need to use money risk management. So here's my point. If you guys have $1,000 in your account, don't put $1,000 into each buy limit. If you have $1,000, I would seriously split that up into 10 portions. So $1,000, put $100 in here. So $100 would be $33 at each buy limit, market order here, make your money, scalp over and over and over and over again. If you want to get more aggressive and you want to use one buy limit, you can do that. I would highly suggest you guys use 2 buy limits and 1 market order. But does that make sense now? You're using $1,000, split into 10 portions, split into 5. It doesn't matter. Just give yourself, I would say at minimum, 4 portions. So if you have one trade that goes down, call that your dollar cost average entry trade. It's not a losing trade. It's just a trade that's actually going to accumulate more money for you and actually has the potential to make more money when the market goes back up. Does that make sense? Okay? Let 1 or 2 of those trades actually happen like that, and then take the other 2 trades and just scalp all day to day, guys, by your computer and make as much money as you can. Every single trade, if you set your buy limits up, will have risk management that if it goes down, you're going to automatically buy, and your scalping trades that look like they are losing just turn into the best dollar cost average entries you can possibly have. I hope some people heard that, because this is absolutely insane. We may try to create a strategy out of this, because I've been looking at this and I was doing this on Luna, and that's literally, guys, that's how I was able to pull $300 of profit in literally about an hour yesterday. And by the way, I only did this with $1,000. So it was 30% growth in the account scalping. These are the principles I'm using, guys. And I was looking at this, literally, trend exhaustion low, trend exhaustion low, trend exhaustion low, well money flow. I was looking for this to at least see it move back down. So I know I did a lot in this, but I hope you guys get this small little masterclass. And I know okay. One more recoup. I just want to drive this home. Here are the steps to this. You need a membership, guys. If I was able to do $300 in an hour, guys, paying $95 for an entire month, and you guys get 31 days to scalp, this is super cheap. Just do it, okay? The amount of confirmation you're going to get is insane. All of these coins you guys can scalp. Why do I say all these coins? Because we have metrics for all of these, okay? So when you guys have your membership, we're going to go live on Zoom, community chat, the Telegram access, all that's yours. But look at this. This is going to open it up, and I'm going to change this, by the way, guys. This is 122 wins and 1 loss, just so you guys all know that, because we did take a loss on Luna. I will update that, I promise. I told you guys how to do it in the last video, and I apologize. I wanted to jump into this video to show this to you guys. All these charts here, again, you're going to look at the chart. You're going to look to see, is the emotional index in the anxious or fearful section? Check. Great time to scalp. Secondly, is your trades in favor in a good or great long trade? Yes, check. That's a good time to scalp. Are wealth institutions buying? Yes. You are now on the side of wealth institutions. You are now on the side of smart money, and you're on the side emotionally of retail traders freaking out where whales actually buy. Those 3 confirmations, guys, are worth way more per month than $95. Seriously, and on all those coins, you can do that. And then come over here with the 2 indicators and scalp your heart away and literally just have as much fun as you want today. That's it. That is it, guys. If you, again, getting here, place that buy limit, and then you're placing 2 more buy limits here. This is a market order, so you guys know market order because you're validating the entry right here, and then 2 buy limits right here. If it goes down, you have one of the greatest dollar cost average entries you could ever have. And when that comes back up, guys, look to take 3 to 4% profit. All the trades that go into drawdown that don't hit 3 to 4%, you now have some of the greatest dollar cost average entries ever with good risk management. And then for all the other ones that hit, guys, just keep making money all day long on 3 to 4% over and over and over and over and over again. 5-minute time frame. All right. God bless you guys. I love you so much. I just picked Cardano, but do this on any coins you want. I would stay away from Luna. I would stay away from Luna. I would stay away from Luna. I would stay away. I'm probably going to remove this from here, but I want to keep it on because we're still showing analysis of people and we're talking to people about over email. So just letting you guys know that. All right, guys, the indicators, I think I don't know if I showed this to you already. I don't think I did. The May sell, they're 84% off in the description. Crypto's crashing. We crashed our prices for you guys. Literally, we literally just did this to help you. I'm wondering why other businesses didn't run sales during this time. And anyways, like if you guys are losing money, you need to actually save on the resources you need to make money. So that's why we literally lowered this. I was like, team, everyone's losing money. We need to help people out here. So we literally discounted all of our indicators for the rest of this month to 84% off. The price will go up at the end of May. So you guys know on May 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, literally at that time, the prices will be going up on our bundle pack. You'll get all 9 of our indicators. The 3 that you really need are right here. Price per swell, money flow, trend exhaustion is what I showed you guys today. You can also use the trend dashboard if you'd like. Watch the videos of how to use those. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded on TradingView before. The jackpot indicator. Yes, technically you could use this for scalping as well. So watch that video here. All the best tools you guys need. Seriously, this strategy has never lost a single trade outside of the Luna anomaly. Period. And you guys can watch this video too if you guys want more. But everything I showed you in today's video is really, really, really good. All right, guys, I love you. Have an amazing, amazing day. I'll see you guys in the next video. The indicators as well as the membership is in the description. Yeah, guys, that's it. I don't have anything else to say. I was going to go over something else, but I'm like, this video is actually way too long. You guys don't need anything else. I was just basically going to say, if you guys make any profits, shoot us a message. It'd be cool to see what you guys make, and then we can throw you guys up on the website. And if you guys want, it's cool to share what people are doing. So that's it. I love you guys. Have a good one. We'll see you guys later. Indicators, membership in the description. Bye, guys.